Good evening from Tubing Vegan. So tonight's dinner is pesto fettuccine. It is so simple and I'm so glad because I am so tired tonight. It seems every night when I get home from work I'm exhausted. So all we're going to do here is add our fettuccine to boiled water. Now for perfect al dente fettuccine, it's usually best to put a little bit of salt in your water, add your fettuccine and boil for 10 minutes. Turn off the boil and let sit in the pot for 1 more minute before you drain it, and then cover it in warm water. And you want to cover it so that it stays warm. A lot of people don't realize that when they're making the rest of their fettuccine pesto sauce, that they need to keep their noodles warm. So we're down to 1.5 minutes. I have prepared the pesto ahead of time. All you need to do is place basil, pine nuts, garlic, salt and pepper in a food processor and drizzle it with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You process it only for about 10 seconds until it's coarsely chopped. Then you add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and you mix it, process it for about 30 more seconds or until it's smooth. And then, believe it or not, you toss it with your pasta and you have amazing, fast pesto fettuccine. It's absolutely delicious. I'm gonna let you take a look inside this so that you can see what it looks like. That's what it should look like. And when we turn it on, it should be, watch, please don't come up and squash us. It should just be a really nice, smooth texture. And when you pour this over your fettuccine, it's going to be delicious. I will show you, when I plate this, a beautiful picture of what it looks like when you mix it all together. And I promise you, your family's gonna love this because it's absolutely delicious. Have a great night, lovelies.